Hello and welcome to Azel's Technologies. This is Amit and we are going to learn HTML from the scratch. So today we are going to learn about in HTML how to create headings and the basics of the HTML. So I'll flip to the Visual Studio. As in my previous video, if you haven't watched my previous video of HTML series, please watch it. How we used to do it, we declare this HTML and this is doc type HTML, then HTML, head section, your title, your head section close, body, and this P stand for the paragraph. So right now I'm talking about the headings. So how many headings we have? In HTML we do have 6 headings. So I'm just going to write H1 and I'm just copying it. And then we do have H2, we have H3, H4, sorry, oops. This is H5 and H6. So we do have these 6 headings here. So can you guess that which one will be the biggest one? Heading we use just like in a simple that this is heading 1, 2 or like that. So we have defined headings in HTML from 1 to 6. This is the level of the heading. So can you guess that which heading will be the biggest one and which will be the smallest one? If you are thinking that 6 will be the biggest one or first will be the biggest one, so let's see that how much you are right and how much you are wrong. So I'm just saving it, control is save it, and already file is running, so control F5 and now you can see that this is your heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3 and heading 4, 5 and 6. Now you have seen that. Then those who were thinking that it was heading 6, so now you got it that heading 6 is the smallest one and the largest one and the biggest one is your heading 1, so H1. So any number of time you can repeat it. There is no bar that how many time you are going to use, but yes, there is a bar that you cannot use head section again and again and body section again and again, but all the codes which will be worked inside of the body tag, you can use them again and again. So right now I'm using here again a code. I'm writing a code here that is known as the HR. HR stand for horizontal rule. So if you want to make a line, so this HR will be there, and again I have put it down and again I'm pressing HR for horizontal rule and save it. And let's move to Google Chrome, and this is file, no changes so far. So you need to refresh the page. So you can just reload the page, or you can just click here and hit enter, or you can just simply press F5 from your keyboard. So now you see that twice and thrice I have used, and this is the HR tag, the line is there. So when you want to separate anything, you can make it like, or if you want to do just like in your school copies or the ruler sheet, so you can write like this. So just copy it and paste it anywhere. So now you will see and find, again I have saved it but no change. What to do? Press F5. So now you see that there are the rule kind of thing. Now you will feel that there is some difference when you are writing H1 and closing it, then there is this forward slash, means in front of this, but here it is backside. Why? Because HR is a tag that is known as the empty tag. HR and your BR, those tags are the empty tags, not need to be closed, but here when we are using in HTML5, so it is closed on the right hand side. If you are not doing it closed, so no problem, it is similar. So if I'm not using it just like this, I'm just doing, even it will work. Right, so no changes, but it is good practice that if you are following the entire process. So this was the basic that we do have headings, 6 kind of headings we do have. Now if you want to write any paragraph, so this is the heading section we have completed, and now moving further, I'm just deleting all these things. So this was your heading from 1 to 6. Now if you want to write any paragraph, how you can create a paragraph. So let's make a paragraph for P. So we are just going to do the paragraph in P, and for here you want some text, so I don't want to write anything, but yes, I just want to write something. So just go to the Google and write dummy text. Here you will find the lorem ipsum. Just click on the lorem ipsum and copy that. So I'm just going to copy this. So copy this and paste it here. So I'm pasting it like this, and here this is the title, what is lorem ipsum. So just paste it on your H1 tag. So this is your H1 tag. I'm just writing and paste it. So I saved it. Now you see that I'm just refreshing it, my class 1. So you will see that this is my heading 1, and now the paragraph have come here. Now this is my first web page. But do you think so it is structured? It is not looking like it's structured at all. So what should I need to do? I'm just going to do one thing, right? I just want to format it. So I just want like this. So let's save it. Now I have formatted it and I'm going to save it. Now check it out. Do you think so anything is going to happen here? As I have formatted it like this and it is showing like this. So let's refresh the page first. No changes, because this is the markup language. Here for every formation you need to write a code. You need to write code. Again I'm repeating it. So it doesn't matter that at what style you are writing on your notepad or your notepad plus or any in IDE, but you have to tell the code so that it can read it out. So here I have break the row from here. So it is doesn't require, if you will make it strong, your browser will be smaller, so it will be also increasing and decreasing. So like this way, if your browser is smaller one, it will be increasing, the page size will be increasing, right? Because it is taking that is the space. This is the 100% for your browser. So if you are using your mobile device, you might have seen like this kind of thing. If you are using in your tablets or something like this, so the screen will be this much, so it is like this. But when you are using it on your laptop or desktop, the screen is more wider. So that is why it is taking its own row. But when you want to control it, you have to write your own codes. How? Let's see here. I wanted to break it here, so I just need to break it here, and for breaking the rule we use BR tag. BR stand for break the rules or rule break. So I'm just writing this code and I want as it is, so here also I want it. Now here I have two gaps, right? So what is the difference between BR? I'll show you. So as it is not required at the end, but I'm doing it. So now when I will refresh it, either from here or control F5 or simply select the address bar or hit enter. So you will see that now it is similar that what I was looking for. So I have formatted it. Don't go for this space that I have provided space here. So why it is not? For that I will show you how it is going to be happen. So when you are breaking the row means BR using, there is only single break. You hit it the break and it is breaking down. But if you want similar kind of gap, so you have to write here a P tag. So now I'm going to use a P tag and it is going to end here. So this P for this and this P for the topest one, right? So when you want to use, you can use the P paragraph tag, or simply if you want to give a space here only, so you can write the P tag here, right, like this. So save it, you will find the gap. So there is a gap of 2 rows, but if I want again to use BR in this row, I want to write, so I'm writing again BR. So you will find out. So your paragraph is 1, means when you are breaking your rules twice, and if you are using 1P, it is similar, the space is similar. Here I have used one paragraph one time, and here I have break rule 2 times, but the space it is generating, it is similar. So I hope so that you have enjoyed this class. Thank you so much guys for paying your time and watching it. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that when I will be uploading new video, you will be getting notification. Thank you so much. If you have any query, please write down on the comment section. Thank you so much.